Click on the link below to get price. The Teradek Bolt 6LT750 wireless transmitter and receiver kit is a game changer for filmmakers seeking reliable and high-quality wireless video transmission. This kit provides a robust solution for capturing live events, film shoots, and even broadcasting where cable connections can be cumbersome or unfeasible. One of the standout features of the Bolt 6LT750 is its impressive range. With a line-of-sight distance of up to 750 feet, it allows for versatile setups without the hassle of being tethered to a camera. This extended range is particularly beneficial for dynamic shooting scenarios, where the camera operator may need to move freely without sacrificing connection quality. The latency is also remarkably low, typically under 1 millisecond, ensuring that there's virtually no delay between the transmitted and received signals. This is crucial for live monitoring and maintaining synchronization with audio feeds. The build quality of the Teradek Bolt 6LT is another highlight. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to integrate into any camera rig without adding significant bulk. The unit is constructed to withstand the rigors of professional use, with a robust housing that protects it during shoots. Setup is straightforward, thanks to the intuitive user interface. Users can easily navigate settings and pair devices with minimal fuss, allowing more time to focus on creativity rather than technology. The kit also features a variety of input and output options, including HDMI and 3G SDI, accommodating a wide range of cameras and devices. One area where the Bolt 6LT truly shines is its versatility. It can be used in various environments, from indoor studios to outdoor settings, maintaining signal strength and clarity under different lighting conditions. Overall, the Teradek Bolt 6LT750 wireless transmitter and receiver kit stands out as an essential tool for professionals in the film and broadcasting industries, delivering reliability, flexibility, and outstanding performance.